Hi, I'm Lori McDonald. Welcome to the most coveted lot on all of Mt Helix. This is 10280 Fuerte Drive. Come on in. The main house is 3,395 square feet of living space, a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Breathtaking views of East County mountains and city lights. Fully fenced and gated entry, this property is over an acre of usable land with parking for 35 cars. Under construction is a detached 8-car garage with attached accessory dwelling unit or guest house. This home has been a complete rebuild from the ground up, built with exceptional materials and attention to detail. The main house is ready for you to select and complete flooring and finishes and make it your own. Attached to the main house is a finished junior ADU, or potential 4th bedroom. The junior ADU has a full kitchen, laundry, walk-in closet, large bathroom, a private entrance, and an outdoor space. Seize this opportunity.